Okay, we're finished. That is heavier than last time. July 30th. I picked that big Roma tomato I've been monitoring for a few weeks, and I did a weigh-in, and that is a Roma tomato that's over 8 ounces. Looks like 9 ounces. About 9 ounces. That is the biggest Roma tomato I've ever seen. It's heavy too. They usually don't get that big. They're usually like 4 ounces, 3 ounces. So good work there. So it looks like it's about ready to harvest. These are almost ready. Well, they can go a couple more days, but I think I'll pick them anyways. So I have a lot of ripe tomatoes again. It's been 7 days since the previous harvest where I got 50 pounds. And it looks like there's 50 more pounds to harvest. See, there's a lot in here. There's tons in here and there. I definitely can find 50 pounds today. So I'm gonna start picking and then we'll see what we have later. Here's what I got so far after maybe 10 minutes of picking, and I have a lot more to go. Well, I found another giant one. It's a little bigger than the last giant one. No, about the same size. 9 ounces. Getting full. Okay, we're finished. That is heavier than last time. So let's do a weigh-in. Okay, it's on the scale. Let's see what we have. It says 93 pounds, 93.2 pounds. -4 for the bucket, so it's like 89 pounds.